My name is Sarah Murray and I'm the Executive Director of Women's Wilderness. We're a nonprofit based in Boulder, Colorado that works to support girls, women, and LGBTQ+ people in improving their health and accessing their power through connections to the outdoors and community. Women's Wilderness was first involved with Social Venture Partners in 2008 and 9 and quite a ways back. And we were a Catapult partner at that point. A decade later, we've come back and are working again with the organization to do this organizational capacity assessment. And I would say over the 21 years that the organization has been around and these two interactions, Social Venture Partners has had a significant impact on helping us improve the work that we do and optimize it. And we're really grateful for that contribution. There were two specific areas that we identified as part of the OCAP process that we really wanted to invest in. And one was related to marketing and community outreach, marketing of our courses specifically, and we know we have great programs and that scored really high across all of the surveys. But how we're actually getting people to know about what we do and then engaging with us and then coming back, that was something that we identified that we really needed to work on as part of the OCAP process. And so in our 2020 to 2022 strategic plan, we've put intention and resources towards really focusing on that. The other area that we identified that we wanted to make some improvements in and optimize was related to governance. So our board, we wanted to focus a bit more on functional expertise and a bit more on issue area expertise to transition from being a bit of a management board to more of an advisory board. And we have intention to do that in 2020 as well. So those are just some of the results that have been really positive for us as far as the long tail of the organizational capacity assessment process. One of the most unlikely but powerful and significant aspects of participating in the organizational capacity assessment process with SVP was related to people. So we had two partners that worked with us to help guide us through the survey process and the orientation with our staff and our board, and also helped us go through the conversation and discussion after the survey results were in about what we were finding in terms of our organization's capacity and where we were strong and where we needed to work. And the two partners that we worked with had very diverse experience from nonprofit leadership on the East Coast to international private sector experience. And they ended up, I think, with having such different perspectives on the work that we do, really facilitating a different kind of conversation. We are very steeped in the work that we do because we do it every day. And so that external perspective was really valuable. It also, I think for me personally, as an executive director, one of the partners that we worked with has worked a bunch in oil and gas and has spent his career very successfully doing that. And I am an individual that comes from a human rights and feminist background, mostly international human rights and feminism. And so there was kind of this uncanny match in a way. And it turns out we are not only neighbors here in Boulder, but that we had a lot to learn from each other. And I really valued the mentorship and the conversation and the thought partnership that I had with that partner in particular.